Hey guys, Andrew here from Rosema's Car Care with another diagnosis video I'd like to go over. Today we have a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and the customer concern is that the blower motor is not operating properly. So let's go ahead and verify the customer concern and then get started figuring out the issue. So I'm going to turn on the blower motor here, or attempt to. As you can see, when I do that, it doesn't turn on, don't hear any noise, don't feel anything coming out of the vents. So the first thing that I did was look up the wiring diagram, and if we look here, we can see the blower motor up here, the blower motor resistor here, and the HVAC control unit down here. The blower motor resistor gets power from a relay here and is permanently grounded here, and then the signal to the blower motor resistor from the HVAC control unit comes in here. Then based on that signal, it will send a varying amount of power and ground to the blower motor itself. It's going to have power going to it on this wire and ground going to it on this wire. So I'm going to remove the glove box to gain access to the blower motor and blower motor resistor. As you can see, the blower motor is down there and goes up to the resistor here. Going to unplug the blower motor itself. And take a look at the size of these terminals. That's going to help me in testing. So I'm going to come over here to my diagnostic tool drawer. I'm going to grab this 2.5 amp incandescent test lamp from Jarhead Diagnostics, and then out of this AES Wave U-Test terminal kit, I'm going to grab the 2 female test pins that are the exact right size to fit on that blower motor resistor. So now I have plugged those 2 test leads into the output of the blower motor resistor and then hooked up my test lamp on the 2.5 amp mode. Now I'm going to come over here and turn on the blower motor. And as you can see, as I slowly increase the speed, the light slowly gets brighter. As I turn it down, it gets dimmer and dimmer until it goes off. This verifies that the blower motor resistor and HVAC control unit are doing everything properly, and the problem lies in the blower motor itself. So you can see how I tested that blower motor resistor and HVAC control unit all at the same time. Now I'd like to go back to the wiring diagram and explain to you what I would have done if I did not find power and ground going to the blower motor itself. So currently we have good power and ground on these 2 wires going to the blower motor. If I wouldn't have found that, I then would have load tested this power wire here coming from a relay and this ground here, and made sure that there was good power and ground going to the blower motor resistor. And then if those were good, I would have used a lab scope and checked the blower motor control from the HVAC control unit. Most likely there would have been 0 to 5 or 0 to 12 volt square wave telling the blower motor resistor how fast to control the blower motor. That's it, guys. Hopefully this quick video shows you that even on a circuit as simple as a blower motor, it's still important to do proper testing to verify that you're replacing the right part the first time. Thanks for watching.